Hello dear students. In this lecture we see the topic acceptability of a string. In this type of problem you will be given a DFA and from that DFA you have to determine or check whether the given string is accepted or not. The string is accepted if by applying a particular state and at the last symbol of the string or last character of the string, if we reach at the final state, then we can say that the string is accepted. If it is not reached to final state, then the string is not accepted. So the given automata is given by m is equal to q, sigma, delta, q0 and f. This is 5-tuple automata. Q is nothing but total number of states. Sigma are the input symbols. Delta is the transition function. Q0 is the initial state and F is the final state. And the delta transition delta Q0x is equal to Q for some Q belongs to final state. X is any symbol and that symbol is the input to state Q0. After applying the input X to Q0, if it reaches to Q and that Q is final state, then we say that the string is accepted. Let us see the problem. This transition you have to remember delta Q null is equal to Q. And if Q is final state, then we say that the string is accepted. In the given diagram, in the given table, there are 4 number of states and 2 inputs 0 and 1. So this is given automata and the string given is 110101. 110101. So let us see how to check whether the string is accepted or not. To check the string, we have to refer this transition table. Now see here in the diagram, this is the table and the string given is 110101. 110101. So how to solve the problem? Delta Q0 110101. Why we take Q0 initially? Because it is the initial state. Delta Q0 110101. If we give 1 as input to Q0, we will reach to Q1. So delta Q1 and the remaining string is 10101. If we give 1 as input to Q1, we reach to Q0 and remaining string is 0101. If 0 is input to Q0, we will reach to Q2 and the input remaining string is 101. If we give 1 input to Q2, we reach to Q3 and the remaining string is 01. If we give 0 as input to Q3, we will reach to Q1 and the remaining input is 1. If we give Q1 as 1 input, we will reach to Q0 and there is nothing now remaining, so null is there. So delta Q0 null, that means we are not giving any input to Q0, so it will remain at the same stage, that is Q0. And here Q0 is the final state. That's why the string 110101 is accepted by the given finite automata. In the case if we don't reach to Q0 or the final state as per given diagram or as per given in the problem, then we say that the string is not acceptable. And when the string is accepted, what is the sequence of the states? It is Q0, Q1, Q0, Q2, Q3, Q1 and again Q0. So just write down the sequence of the states that has to be followed if the string is accepted. Thank you for listening.